श्री धन्वन्तरये नमः। ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरये नमः। ॐ श्री धन्वन्तरये नमः।
Namaste. I am Dr. Padmakumar, Managing Director of Unium Ayurvedic Hospital, Kerala. Today, I would like to tell you a few words about rheumatism and the Ayurvedic treatment for the same. In rheumatic disorders, there are few, one which threaten the life of patient or which makes the whole life miserable. They are rheumatic fever, rheumatoid arthritis, polyarthritis, juvenile arthritis, SLE, etc. It's very much necessary to go through that how modern medicine views this disease. First of all, almost all type of rheumatic disorders are autoimmune diseases. The disease generally occur in youngsters. Let us look into rheumatic fever. It's a systemic post-streptococcal non-suppurative inflammatory diseases principally affecting heart, joints, central nervous system, skin and subcutaneous tissues. The chronic stage of rheumatic fever involves all the layers of heart causing major heart disorder called rheumatic heart disease. Let us see the words of Dr. William Bayard, who said rheumatism licks the joint but bites the whole heart. According to modern medicine, this disease is caused due to the infection of Streptococcus rheumaticus. There are various clinical tests to confirm the disease like ESR, ASO titer, C-reactive protein, low HB and raised TC. The various treatment include the administration of penicillin for 5 or more years, use of painkillers and steroids. Now we will see what is rheumatoid arthritis. As per modern medicine, rheumatoid arthritis is chronic multi-system disease of unknown causes. Although RA is inflammatory arthritis of peripheral joint, usually with a systemical distribution. Its systemic manifestation include hematologic, pulmonary, neurological and cardiovascular abnormalities. RA is mainly affected in the 3rd to 4th decades of life with 3 to 5 times higher in females. This is also an autoimmune disease. The clinical tests conducted are ESR, RA factor, CRP and blood RA. Painkillers and steroids are the medicines given to them. It is to be very much highlighted that in long use of all these medicines are making irreparable damage to the patient's body. Needless to say that medical scientists and doctors all over the world are fed up with the treatment of this disease. Many prominent physicians in the world are in favor of alternative systems to treat this disease. In this context, Ayurveda is much ahead in the treatment of this type of arthritic disorders. Let us see the cause of rheumatic fever, better known in Ayurveda as Amavada. Ama means immobility and Vada called arthritis. The etiology and pathogenesis are well explained in Ayurvedic texts. Contraindicated food, doing hard work immediately after food, not taking food when you feel hungry, taking of food when you are not hungry, etc. are the main reason for the onset of rheumatic fever. Taking honey with hot food, chicken with carb, fish with buttermilk, like that is contraindicated food. These intake create toxicity in the body and cause this disease. Next, when you are not taking food when you are hungry, the digestive enzymes are absorbed by the blood vessels which also create this rheumatic disorder. If the disease is diagnosed early, the Ayurvedic treatment for the 30 days can improve the patient, and in almost 2 months time, the patient can get rid of the disease and could stop the medicines. The combined medicines given to the patient can surely stop the rheumatic heart disease also. In rheumatoid arthritis, it's seen that rheumatic fever is not treated properly. The occurrence of RA is common. As per Ayurveda, there is chance of heredity also. Separated women have much chance in acquiring this disease. It's seen that if the after delivery treatment is not done properly, there is a higher chance of this disease. This disease closely associated with female hormone system also. If detected at an early stage, this disease can be cured fully. Here in Jeevanium, our founder has formulated various Ayurvedic medicines to cure these dreaded diseases completely. Higher attention is given to continuously monitor the progress of the disease and giving result-oriented advice for upkeeping the health of the patient. With the help of modern pathological laboratory, the clinical parameters are continuously mentioned before advising Pancharma therapy to them. For more details, please visit www.jeevanium.in. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you.